I just wanted to go over quickly the nextbase 380 GWX. This is a camera bundle from nextbase, so you get a front camera, a rear camera, your cable to wire it all together. You do get your wiring in the box, although this one is being hardwired today into the vehicle's wiring. Some of the features with the 380 GW, which I quite like over some of the 322 GW3, all the other nextbase cameras. So this is your front camera. It's nice and compact. It can go up on the windscreen out of the way. It connects via Wi-Fi to your app on your phone, so you can do the settings on your phone. This is ideal for commercial vehicles and also cars where you don't want a screen on and you want a camera up out the way that you can just leave in the vehicle and forget about. One of the great things with this camera is you can wire it and then lock on the back plate, lock the side covers, and nobody can tamper with the camera. So that's why it's great for commercial use, but also it just goes up in the windscreen very nicely, hides away behind the rear view camera, and is a nice and discreet camera. Because you've got the app, it's very easy to do the settings on, and it's kind of a set and forget camera bundle. So you've got your rear camera wiring. Your rear camera for this is a little bit larger than your GW models, as you can see, but it again just is aimable up and down, and then this just goes on the rear window. The button doesn't actually do anything on here, so I don't know why it's got a button on it. But yeah, so that's it. So that's your rear camera. That's your front camera of the 380, and then comes with all your normal bits and bobs in there. Your SD card goes in the side. So there's your power settings, and to lock the camera together. So you've got the parts in there to be able to lock the side panels on, and that's where your memory card and other bits go. So yeah, I'll just sort of do a very quick overview. Why I think this is better is just because there's no screen. It's great for commercial use. Just put it in, forget, fit and forget, and off you go. So there you go. Hope you found this quick overview of the nextbase 380 GWX. So we're just going to connect the app. This is the nextbase Cam Viewer app. So what we do is we hold the Wi-Fi button down on the camera, and then it goes beep beep beep, and we need to go into Wi-Fi settings, connect it to the nextbase. Password is 12345678. Connect. And we come back to the app. See, it hits there. Come back to the app. And connect to the device. Shan't take too long, and it just takes a couple of seconds. The first time is always longer once you've done the initial setup. There we go, it's just going through now, and there we are. So that's the front camera, as you can see there, and that's the rear camera. We can go into dashboard settings, stop recording, and then we can now go into the settings and change anything. The reason this is good for the older generation is because you can do everything on the app. It's a setup. You can just set it up once and then leave it, which is great. And also for commercial vehicles, it's just a setup and one-time setup, and that's it. There's nothing to mess around with. So as you can see here, we've got all the different video settings, and then this is your setup of the camera. And just going through it, everything looks fine. Great thing to do is to turn off sound, especially if it's going in a commercial vehicle or for an older person, and then they don't even have to think that the camera's there. They can just get in and it works. So that's the setup really. There's not a lot to it. Obviously if you've got it wired to a permanent live, you can turn parking mode on the dash cam, which is here, and then you can adjust your G sensor to different ones, but we haven't got this on a permanent live, so parking mode is not going to work. And then we can come back into the camera settings. There we are, and then we can go to a large view. We just gotta, all I'm going to do with this is I'm going to use the live view. As you can see here, if I put it too far over, we get the black trim from the edge of the rear view mirror. So we're going to want this about there, and then we can angle this down a bit, and you just use this to set up where you want that. So that's where I'm going to fit the front camera. I'll do that in just a second. I've got to peel the backing off that, and then you can see the rear camera there. We just need to angle that down ever so slightly. But yeah, that's the app. Very easy to use, very quick and simple once you're set up. And yeah, I just thought I'd show you the app, how to use the app and how the camera works. And then you can download videos here, dash cam videos. This is all the videos that will be on the camera. You can format the SD card. It's all very simple to use via the app. It's a lot better than some of the other nextbase apps. So there you go. That's just a quick overview of the nextbase 380 GWX. Thanks for watching. If you want to check this camera out, it will be in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe for more nextbase.